I look more bald-headed than normal because my hair is pimp name slick back. So pardon my bald-headed lookingness. But yeah, we back, baby. We always come up with the lit content, and that's just facts, no printer. Original content. Who is she? Here she is, period. Okay, so today's video is called Limitless, YouTube Niches and Mental Health. And I am not a mental health professional, even though I do give advice on my channel, but I am a mental health patient, okay? So I am pretty versed on the subjects. So let's get into this video. Okay, so even with my thinking, you know, my ideas and stuff for my channel, my art, my store and stuff, I am, you know, pretty out there. I don't limit myself. I don't niche myself with anything. And the definition for niche, it has two definitions. I'm on the dictionary, and the first one is a comfortable or suitable position in life or employment, and the second definition is a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. Okay, so now in regards to YouTube, okay, so I'm here from voiceover land. This video I was spaced the hell out. I was talking, I was rambling, I was just going on and on. So I cut a lot of stuff out because I was talking for like 4 hours straight. Oh my god. So it's gonna be a lot of cuts and a lot of transitions and a lot of stuff. So I apologize for that in advance. Sorry about that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not allow people to let you think you have to do, you know, one specific type of video or you will not succeed, okay? You only gotta wear this type of clothes, you know, your channel banner gotta look this type of way, your intro gotta look this type of way. Do not allow people to let you think that. YouTube is supposed to be a creative space. You're supposed to come here and express who you are inside. Let me give you an example. Even some makeup channels that I subscribe to, right? The intros are the same. It's the same swirling intro. It's the same cartoon effect. It's the same, the name, the word under the name, and then the pictures popping up. It's the same thing, okay? You're supposed to be here as a creative, okay? You want to, you know, express yourself and show your talents on the platform. Do not allow people to let you think, oh, you know, oh, I'm a makeup artist, I have to have my intro like this other makeup artist, and I have to do this and I have to do that. You don't. Look at my intro. Simple. If you're doing makeup, do it different. We're all different people. We can do the same thing different ways, and you know they're literally modeling themselves after someone, after a larger YouTuber, because they think that's the model of success for that particular niche. Eventually your viewers get bored because they've seen it all. People would come to your channel and there's 100, 1,000, hundreds of thousands, I don't even know how many, but there's a lot of makeup channels doing the same thing or similar things. You get what I'm saying? What are you doing differently? Okay, people are coming to your channel to see you because they already know there's 1,000 makeup channels even in their area. You get what I'm saying? Much less the world that they could watch, but they're choosing to watch you. Why should they watch you if you're the exact copy of someone else? Why wouldn't they watch that other person? We have like people going viral all of a sudden when they step outside of their comfort zone. You get what I'm saying? Even the murder mystery and makeup, that was a new thing. You know, I have a couple ideas of stuff similar to that, and then when I saw that came out, I was like, oh crap, people are actually thinking and trying to be different. And you know, you gotta try to do it first, obviously, but people are actually thinking and trying to do different things and stuff. And then since that murder mystery and makeup, there's so many different, you know, stuff that came after that. You have people who do crime solving and makeup and old unsolved mysteries and makeup, and it's so much different things that came from that, now giving more people more ways to not be original, period. Now, with the example that I gave makeup channels as an example. Your channel should be a reflection of what you like to do, okay? What you dislike, your journeys in life, blah 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 blah, whatever. People are coming to the channel to see you. As I said, there are going to be thousands of people doing the same thing or a similar thing to what you're doing, so people are coming to see you. All right. I do have 2 videos currently. I don't know if I might post anymore, but they're called How to Succeed on YouTube. I'm doing just a voiceover to like a moving background, and I give a lot of jokes in there. I give a lot of advice. It's kind of like a podcast, I guess, but you can't see my face, so love that. So I'll link them in the description, and I'll put a card if you guys want to watch that as well, so you can learn more about, you know, not niching yourself and what you got to do and whatever. Now, I didn't come to YouTube just to talk. You know what I'm saying? I'm an artist. I'm a creative person. I didn't come here just to talk. My current situation, I can't really do much other than talking. But if you notice, just because I only can do talking right now and advice and commentary videos, I'm not talking about the same thing over and over. I'm doing different topics that's going to be interesting for people, and, you know, working with what I have in the meantime. So when I get to a different level and I can do different types of videos, I will be doing those different types of videos. But for right now, I'm keeping you guys entertained as best as possible with my commentary, with my comedy, my unpopular opinions and stuff. So I'm still not niching myself, even though I'm mainly doing comedy, commentary, and popular opinions, advice, which is basically me sitting in front of the camera and talking like I'm doing right now. That's mainly what I'm doing on my channel, but that's not my niche. I don't have a niche. I do everything on my channel because I'm a very talented person. I am extreme, and I'm not being cocky. I am extremely talented. There's literally nothing that I can think about that I have tried that I have completely failed.
Easy girl, easy girl, easy down girl, sit. I'm kidding. But like seriously, like where's the lie? You know, where did I lie or where did I stutter?
Ever, okay? There's nothing. And there's a lot of things that I do need to try, I do wish to try, but there's nothing so far in life that has completely just stumped me, and I just can't ever get it, ever. Nothing. Okay? Because I try and I figure out different ways. I fail here and I come back and I do different stuff, and I fail and I fail and I fail and I keep going and I keep learning. So there's nothing. Okay, absolutely nothing. Now, I'm a part of this group on Facebook. I also, if you guys are YouTubers and you're not on every single social media network, platform, whatever you want to call it, you're missing out, and you're not doing as much as you need to promote yourself. You should be on every social media. Again, check out my How to Succeed on YouTube video, and I'll tell you what you need to do. It's not gonna be overnight, obviously, but you need to do a lot of things to ensure that it will happen. Not overnight, but it will happen over time of you being consistent. So I'm in this group on Facebook, and it's called the Black YouTubers, and I made a post about a niche because I always see people commenting, and, you know, or they make posts and they say, hey guys, drop your links, you know, or what's your niche, or I do this type of video, what's your niche? And I'm just like, you know, I'm a full grown human being. I don't only like this type of thing. Not because I mainly do commentary on my channel means I'm only gonna watch commentary videos. I would probably never watch a commentary video because I don't want to have other commentary content creators influencing what I say. You get what I'm saying? Because you watch some stuff and subconsciously they influence you. You get what I'm saying? So I probably shouldn't even be watching any commentary videos if they're gonna do topics that I do. You get what I'm saying? If you're a makeup artist and you're only watching makeup videos, what do you get from that? What do you get from that? You get what I'm saying? So as a full human being, we like different things. Someone asked recently, what do you like? And on YouTube, I watch Crime Watch Daily. I watch a lot of crime videos, unsolved mysteries and stuff. I watch makeup videos. I watch animation, stop motion animation. I watch commentary, which I have one specific person. What is up with this noise? I have one specific person that I watch commentary from, and that is D'Angelo Wallace. Shout outs to him. Love his commentary style, and he blew up this year and whatever. So yeah, he's the main person that I watch. He doesn't really deal with topics that I deal with. He's more on like social media influencers and stuff, and I deal with like black issues mainly. But he's the only commentary YouTube channel that I subscribe to. Okay, I watch a lot of makeup. The main makeup person I watch is Jackie Aina. The smaller YouTubers that I watch, those are the ones that I watch that do makeup. I don't watch any large makeup channel that I can think of apart from Jackie. You get what I'm saying? So I'm here and I'm supporting people that are the same size as me. I'm supporting larger people, but it's never in the same category. Okay? Now, I said all of that to say, in this group, I made a post recently because all the people talking about niches and stuff, and I said, I'll put it up on the screen as well. I said, I don't know who needs to hear this, but never limit yourself to a niche. If you have mostly makeup on your channel, do your makeup one day and go outside and play some football. And I said, if you're doing mostly vlogs, drop a gaming video. As a creator, you should be trying new things, learning about yourself, entertaining, educating, inspiring, etc. Don't be boring. I wish you all the best. And yeah, that's what I said. And I still stick by that. There's no need for you to be repetitive. Okay, you're doing the same thing. Oh, I see some channels that they have the same thumbnail for every single video. Listen, if I have a video and it's part 1 and part 2, best believe part 1 thumbnail is going to be a different thumbnail from part 2. And that's just me being a creative person. And that's not, oh, she has so much time and this and that. That's just the creativity. Okay? Everything you do should have a concept. You should plan it. You should be ready. You should be excited. You should be prepared. This is, you know, you love creating content. You love this and you love that. If it's something that you genuinely don't love and you're just doing it because of money, or you want the fame, or you want fortune, or whatever, fortune, whatever, then you won't have really much originality. You'll be doing everything everybody else is doing because, oh, this is trending, I gotta do this now, I gotta do this because this, that. It's totally fine to hop on trends. It's totally fine to do this, but never limit yourself to only one thing.
Okay, so what I meant to say here is that it's totally fine to hop on trends, but don't do exactly what someone else does. If you're gonna hop on a trend, add your little flavor, your little twist and everything like that to it.
Now, what I would like to say is there are channels like my channel who, you know, just want to express themselves. They do a lot of different types of videos and they're pretty random and it's all about fun and expression. And, you know, if they reach 20 people, they're happy. If they reach 100,000 people, they're happy. But you have some people who they start off like that and it's just a love and it's just a passion and you want to create, and then they go viral, which it happens so many times, probably daily. They go viral, and that particular video that they go viral off of, they try to replicate that, and then they niche themselves because of that. You get what I'm saying? So you'd be doing, you know, you do a makeup video one day, you do a vlog, you do art one day, you know, you do an advice video, and then the advice video blows up. You get what I'm saying? The advice video blows up. Now you're trying to grasp at that little, you know, 15 minutes of fame, and you're trying to grasp at that, and then you just continue trying to do more advice videos. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know, you're not making much sense, but you just know you're putting hashtag advice in your description because you went viral once on advice, and now you think you're a psychologist. Okay, so that's an example where people kind of niche themselves after a while because of viral fame. But yeah, that's not gonna happen to me. I'm gonna be randomized till the day I die because, as I said, I'm just in so many different categories. I am just everything and nothing, and I'm just so happy that I'm so creative and I have so many ideas. I just wish I could have the resources to bring forth some of those ideas, but I don't right now, and I'm continuing to be random until I get to a point where I can do everything that I want to do and support other people who I see as actual creative people who are doing their thing and not following nobody and, you know, hopping on every trend because they want to be famous and they just want the money and they just want to get monetized. And it's totally fine to get monetized, but it shouldn't be the only thing that you want, you know? Okay, now it's really up to you. You can niche yourself if you want to. If you just want to do one specific thing, that is totally fine as well. But as I said, don't let people make you think that's, you have to do this and you will not be susceptible. you will not be successful if you do multiple things. You get what I'm saying? Like they're saying, oh, nobody's whatever, and people are coming to your channel for you. They want to see you. What you're doing, there are similar things on the internet. Okay? You can come up with an original idea, but there are similar original ideas to your original idea. Same with me. I have a lot of videos that I have planned and stuff, and when I search the titles and I say, oh, this is a good video idea, this is gonna be great. And when I search the titles, it's already there, you know? So do not niche yourself, don't limit yourself. You are so talented and you are so amazing, you're so great. Great. You are awesome. You are spectacular. Okay, now niching yourself can affect your mental health in a variety of different ways, and it differs from person to person. Now for me, the main way it could possibly affect me is with certain topics, right? Let's say I chose to do only educational videos, like documentaries, and for example, my slavery video, whatever it's called, Google's most searched slavery questions, that particular video, that video took so much out of me to film. Now it won't affect someone else how it affect me, and it might affect someone else more than if it affected me, right? So, you know, I'm looking for photos and I'm trying to, you know, get everything together and information is there and stuff. Looking at those pictures of the slaves, you know, looking at the ships and looking at people getting boiled alive and people getting and stuff, I'm tearing up right now and I'm just talking about it. I was going through a very, very difficult time with editing the video, because I filmed it, because normally like how I film, like just talking straight and then I'd edit other stuff in. So I filmed this part 2 of the video, right? Everything was good for the part 2, and I cut out, you know, the mistakes that I made, and I put the funny parts, the bloopers and stuff. All I had to do was just to add the photos, add the background music, and upload. right? Couldn't do it. The photos were taking a toll on me to put in each area where the photo should be. It was taking a toll. I did not expect it to do me that dirty, but it was taking a toll on me. And I said, I had that file sitting there for weeks. I think it was like 2 months or something. For weeks. And as you guys know, I post very often, so that means I was just passing over that file, passing over that video multiple times a week. You get what I'm saying? Just to avoid it breaking me. Like, it's literally that serious. You get what I'm saying? So imagine sorry, imagine if it's someone who does, you know, documentaries. Like, I just deleted the file because it was just pissing me off after a while. I couldn't do it, and it was, you know, whatever, it was affecting me, and I just deleted it. Imagine if it's someone who does documentaries, just straight documentaries, right? And they have a crisis or a moment where they just can't manage a certain topic. You can't just delete a 2-hour, 3-hour documentary video, you know? You can't just delete it. But if you're a channel where you don't particularly niche yourself, and you might drop a documentary here, you know, you drop a fitness video there, and it's just randomized, just you on your channel, your life, and what you want to do, particularly what you want to do, it's gonna be easier for you, because then you can just say, okay, well, I'm not feeling this topic for the documentary, I can just film a short skit. You know, I can just film myself jogging. You get what I'm saying? Because you didn't niche yourself. Now, if you niche yourself and all you can do is documentaries because your channel is about documentaries, then you can't delete the documentary. You just gotta like suffer through the editing process, and you're damaging your mental health because of that. Okay? So that's not healthy. Okay? People go through a lot of stuff, and everything affects other people differently, but it's not healthy to do stuff that you know is affecting you. It's not healthy to do that. Okay, well, I know I get rambly sometimes, and I just like talk and talk and talk and talk. I have a lot of knowledge, and I have a lot of passion for a lot of stuff, and you know, I can't really do as much as I would like to do for you guys. So, you know, take the advice. Take the advice. Okay, so thank you for watching. Why does my hair look white? Is it white? Oh no. Why does it look like that? Whatever. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been DiamondTV advice. I'm kidding. But yeah, I really wish I could do more for you guys, but please just take the advice, okay? Take whatever advice that I give you. I think about stuff before I post it. And it's all coming from a place of love. I just want you guys to be happy, be healthy, and don't feel stressed out on the platform, okay? Because it's supposed to be a creative platform where you're expressing yourself, and you're supposed to be happy and ecstatic, okay? And then there's a possibility you can make money if you're not making money already. You get what I'm saying? So that should make you super happy and even more excited and coming up with more ideas, okay? So don't niche yourself. But if you do, make sure it's your idea and you're niching yourself and nobody's telling you to. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Please like, please subscribe, share. That'd be nice. Leave a comment and I'll respond to you as I usually do. Leave something nice so I can pin it, because I'm tired of pinning my own comments, because some of these comments, they're not creative. And that's just facts. Anyways, peace out. Okay, but this side looks actually bald. What's going on? Hashtag instant edges. Okay, go follow her, by the way. She actually does edges and people with like alopecia and stuff, so go follow her Instagram page. I follow her. I love her videos. She's a black woman, you feel me? And support black owned businesses and stuff, you know. I don't know why I have this in my hand, but go check out her channel. Thanks, love that little plug there. We love that. Why isn't this shit loading, man? What the What the? I'm so happy you guys can't see my knees because it's getting colder and my knees are getting ashier and ashier and ashier and ashier, ashier and ashier, ashier and ashier.